everyone, I'm Didi.
Hey everybody, Armand here, Chi Skills. Welcome to the video. We are happy to announce the dates for the 5-day workshops of the summer of 2024.
Yeah, and these dates are June 17th till the 21st, July 15th till the 19th, August 12th till the 16th, and September 2nd till the 6th. And you can also find these dates in the description below and on our website. So let's talk a bit more about the aim of these workshops.
For sure. So the internal arts have so much to offer. There's so much potential there. But we do realize that for a lot of people, it's very hard to connect the dots of the training, see the larger picture, see the framework, and see the step-by-step approach. So this is a great aim of the training we're doing. Yeah. It's like, make sure you've got that framework and understand it. And the other big part of it, that all these dots that we're exploring and connecting, we have a clear experience of them. So Qi, the difference between Qi, vital energy, song practice, muscle to tendon changing, what does that mean? Structure, what's good structure? All these things are answered in these 5 days. So it's a chunkful workshop where we're going to work hard with a small group of people. I think that's very important to understand as well. There's going to be a very much one-on-one approach here due to this small group.
So, and what you see, because it's small groups, lots of partner training as well in these trainings. But what you see when people go away, they know what to do next.
Absolutely.
So they have a clear understanding of their training after these 5 days.
Absolutely. I mean, this framework can be applied to a lot of things, right? Tai Chi training. It's also a foundation for hermetic training. That's important as well. Some people come more from that approach. So learning this Qigong framework can be applied to a lot of different things. And for each and every one of you, we want to make sure that you know how to apply that and make the most use of it for your own training. And that's just such a fun thing to watch throughout these 5 days, seeing all these aha moments of everyone. Yeah.
And to add on that, it's not just the training, it's also how it applies to your life.
For sure.
And what we also see, we'll do lunches together and we'll talk about, how does food come into this training?
Absolutely.
How you eat, how you sleep, all these different aspects. It'll be interesting.
It's very interesting, and I remember one person in the workshop last season saying, "Well, there's a 2.0 version of me now," and that sort of sums it up for me. It's like, when people leave this workshop, they're like, "Oh yeah, I know what to do," and you can just see it in their eyes. It's So that's the aim of the workshop.
So you're very welcome, and
absolutely
hope to see you here next year.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.